Hey guys, it's Crystal back with another video for you. Today I will be installing a super cool JDM part, so stay tuned to see what it is. Today's gonna be another episode on the Honda build. So what I have to introduce today is this toll road card reader. And as a lot of you know, I went to Japan in early 2020 and I absolutely loved my time there. And one thing that I found while I was in a lot of the cards is when they would start up their car, I would hear a little. So I looked into what that sound was a little bit, and it was actually the toll road card reader that was saying a little message while they started up the car. I'm not exactly sure what it says, so when I play it for you guys, if you can leave me comments down below to let me know exactly what they're saying, that'd be much appreciated. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing this install today, so stay tuned. So a lot of you guys ask where I get my cool JDM stuff from. I actually go to jdmohiodirect.com. They sent me this little sticker. They do not sponsor me. They don't pay me for anything, but a lot of you guys asked, so thought I would share. That's where I got my sun visor from. I also got the side view mirrors from there. So yeah, they have just a lot of cool JDM things, and for all you people that are for that life, check them out. Today's install is going to be really simple. So I have a quick demonstration here. So we're gonna pretend that this is the constant power wire, and then we're gonna pretend that this is the power wire that connects to our device here. And this is a quick splice that I just got from Pep Boys. So what we're gonna do is the open end of the splice is going to receive the constant power wire. And then our power wire that connects to our device is going to slide in through the closed end, and it does have a stop so it doesn't go through all the way. And then once they are through, then we push this metal piece down and they are spliced. I'm just gonna do a quick demonstration of how to push the metal piece down. So I'm just gonna be using needle nose pliers, making sure that the wires are in all the way. And then get my needle nose pliers like so. And it has to go down further than this, but you can see that they are already penetrated. Okay, so this is what the end result is going to look like. Everything's all in place and officially spliced. So now time to get this done on the Civic. Okay, so we are in the car and ready for the install. You'll notice that we went ahead and removed this panel here to gain access to the ignition auxiliary power cable. And the reason we want access to that one is because we don't want our device to be on all the time. We only want it to be on when the car is turned on so that it doesn't drain our battery. And then that will be spliced to this power cable that was provided to us with that device that we received. So you'll notice that it has two parts to it. So this black one is the ground, and that's one that we're gonna be mounting. You can mount it anywhere, but I have under here a 10mm bolt that I'm probably just gonna go ahead and attach that to. And then we have the red power cable. So as you can see here, I went ahead and spliced the red power cable that was provided to us to the black and yellow ignition power cable that was attached to us, or given with the car. So that is all set up there, and now in theory we should be able to just plug everything in and it should work. Like I said, we need to attach the ground, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that 10mm bolt so I can reattach the ground to that. And of course I need an extension because it's such a funky little spot. Go ahead and attach the ground like so. I'm just gonna finger tighten that in really fast to make sure it doesn't fall. All right, so now that is all attached. And we have to plug our cable into the device. So that's gonna go in right here. Awesome. And the device also came with this cable as well, which would go right here in this slot. But it's like for the actual like toll roads, and we're not really in Japan and using this for any toll roads at all, just for the sound. So we're not gonna use this. Okay guys, so everything is plugged in. In theory, it should work as soon as I turn on my car. So let's test it out. That is so awesome! Oh, I feel like I'm in Japan again, guys. That is so, so cool. And obviously this is a card reader. They have the little chip card right there. So went to Vegas and got my little key card and just wanted to test it out. So let's see what it says. Cool. That's so cool. Obviously, I'm not gonna be using this feature, but I just love the sound. So let's see, they have a few little buttons here to mess around with. This is the eject button that I just used to get my card back. Let's see what this does. Okay, it's getting quieter, so. Okay, so probably volume. Interesting. So yeah, if anybody speaks Japanese out there, I'm really curious to know what they're saying. I'm sure it has something to do with card-related things. But yeah, if you guys can let me know in the comments down below, and then let me know also what you think of this. I absolutely love this. So now every time I start my car, I get a little bit of that JDM feel, and I love that. All for that. Cool, so I'm really, really happy that this works, and I love it so far. But now, obviously it's just mock setup. I have to get the panel back up and then find a place to put this. I was thinking of maybe just having it right here so that it stays kind of out of sight, but I could still hear it. But what do you guys think? If you guys can let me know in the comments down below as well, where I should place this throughout the car. The cable is pretty long, so we have a lot of wiggle room there. But yeah, what do you think? Okay, everything is set up and put back into place. As you can see, I ended up putting the device right here down on this panel, just so it stays out of the way, it stays out of the sun, but hopefully I can still hear the little message. So just for fun, let's see if everything works okay. Awesome. How many horsepower do you think that's gonna give me, guys? I freaking love that whole JDM feel. I feel like I'm right back in Japan. When I went early in 2020, it was just such an amazing experience. If you guys haven't been before, definitely recommend, and I will leave the links to those videos attached up above so that you can check them out, because it was such a great time. But yeah, guys, leave me your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this little JDM thing? Do you think it's too cheesy? But yeah, I am freaking obsessed with it, and now I get that little taste of Japan every time I start my car. So I love it so much. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get updates on when I'm posting. And yeah, that is all I have for today, guys. So until next time, QueeenBRZ out.